Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will discuss AP series, AP and GP. So first of all, we need to know what is AP. Is a sequence of numbers that has a fixed common difference between any two numbers is called arithmetic progression, that is AP. So here, if you take 3, 6, 9, dot dot. So here, this is the first term of this series. So this is 3, and adding 3 with the first term, we get the second term, that is 3 plus 3, 3, is 6, and adding plus 3, we get the third term. And in this way, we will get the terms. So if n is the nth term, then this will be 3 plus n minus 1 into 3. So here, this is the first term, this is the difference, that is called common difference, and n is the this nth term. So for nth term, the formula will be first term, that is a1 plus n minus 1 into the common difference, that is d. So this is the formula for nth term in the AP, and the sum of nth term will be n by 2 into this first term, second term, third term. So therefore we will get 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and that is also n by 2 into a plus l, where a is the first term, l is the last term of the series. Okay? And GP, a GP is a series of numbers where each term is calculated by multiplying the previous term by a fixed number. So this fixed number is called common ratio. So let us assume first term is 2. Okay? So multiplying by 2 with this, we will get 4. Multiplying by 2, we will get 8. Multiplying by 2 with this 8, we will get 16. So these 2, 4, 8, 16 dot dot, this will be a GP series. So here in this AP series, we get the term by adding common difference with the previous number, but in the GP series, we get a term by multiplying a fixed number which is called common ratio with the previous number. Okay? So let us see the formula, how to find. So in AP, nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn, that is sum of n terms, is equal to n by 2. This is 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or n by 2 a plus l, where a first term, this is last term. N is first term. And in GP, so in GP we see 2, 4, 8, 16, these are the terms. So if this is the first term, so let us denote by a, and we get 4 by multiplying 2 with this first term. So let us take common ratio is r. Okay? So first a, then we get a into r. Therefore we get ar into r, that is ar square. Therefore we will get ar square into r, that is ar cube. So this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. So you see, this nth term will be first term into common ratio to the power n minus 1. So power is the 1 less than the term. Which term? This is third term, this power is 2. So therefore nth term, the power of this common ratio will be n minus 1. So this is the formula to find nth term of a GP series, and the sum Sn will be a into 1 minus Rn divided by 1 minus R. Okay? And this will be a divided by 1 by r, when modulus r is very very less than 1. So in that case, this r to the power n will be 0 as n approaches to infinity. So whenever n is bigger than any number and r is very small than 1, then this term will be 0, therefore a into 1 of a. So the sum of n term in GP series will be this if r is very small. So generally the sum of nth term, sum of n terms in GP is this and the nth term is this. So this is, so I will discuss some examples. Let us take two examples from JP. So find the 10th term in the following sequence this. And second problem, find the sum of first 30 multipliers of 4. So first solve solution of 1. Okay? So the given sequence is this. So we have to find 10th term, that is a10. So here first term 2, that is a equal to 2. And we get second term by adding 5 with the first term, and we get third term by adding 5 with the second term. So therefore the common difference is 5. So we get a d, and we have to find n equal to 10. So now we find an, that is a10. The formula is a plus n minus, so this is an, a plus n minus 1 into t. So a10 is equal to a is 2 plus n is 10 minus 1, d is 5. Therefore we get 2 plus, this is 10 minus 1, 9 into 5, 2 plus 9 is 45, so this will be 47. Okay, so answer of this question is 47. So now we solve the second question. So we have to find first sum of first 30 multipliers of 4. So we have to write first 30 multipliers of 4. So 4, then will be 8 plus 4, that will be 12, and up to this will be a 30, that is 30 term. So this is first term 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 4 into 3, that is multipliers of 4. So here a equal to 4, that is first term 4, d equal to, we add 4, we get second term, add 4 with second term, we get third term, so therefore d is 4. And we have to find the last term, or we have to find this sum, that is s 30, that is for this 30 term we have to find the sum. So therefore n divided by 2, that is 30 by 2, and this will be formula 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this is 30 by 2, and this will be 2 into 4 plus this is n minus 1, that is 30 minus 1, 29 into 4. So this 2 4, 29 4, that is 31 into 4. So here 31 into 4, and this is 30, and this is divided by 2, this is 2. So therefore we get 30 into 2, 60 into 31. So if you get multiply 31, 6, 6, 186, and this will be 0. So this is 1860. So this is the answer, 1860. Sum of first 30 multiples of 4 will be 1861. So that's it. Now I will solve some problem from GP. Now I will discuss two problems from GP. So first problem is find the 9th term of this GP series. So solution of 3. So this is given 10, 20, 40. So this is GP. So here first term is 5, and we have to find common ratio. So for common ratio, divide any term by the previous term. So we divide 20 by 10. We will get the common ratio. So r equal to 2. And we know the an equal to a into r to the power n minus 1. So therefore 9th term, so a9 will be a into r to the power 9 minus 1, that is 8. So a is 5 into 2 to the power 8. that is 5 into 2 to the power 8 is 256, and 5 into 256, this is 1280. So this is the answer. And second problem is very interesting. You are given third term is 4 and eighth term of GP is 128. So you have to find the GP. Okay. That means you have to find the terms of the GP series. So it is given A3 equal to 4, A8 equal to 128. So we assume that first term A and common ratio is R. So therefore from this A3, that is A R to the power 2 will be 4. This is first equation, and from this we will get A R to the power 7 equal to 128. So this will be 2. So from here we have to find A and R. So from 1 we get A equal to 4 by R square, and now we put A equal to 4 by R square in 2. Then from 2 we get 4 R2 equal to 128 A, and this is R7. So therefore R2, R7, R5. So R5 equal to 128 divided by 4, that is 3, 2. So this will be 3, 2, and that is 2 to the power 5. So we get R to the power 5 equal to 2 to the power 5. So from here we get R equal to 2. Okay, we know x to the power m equal to x to the power n implies that, x to the power m and y to the power m, if power is same, then the number will be equal. So in this case R to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5, so R equal to 2, and by putting R equal to 2 in this equation, that is A equal to 4 by R square, R equal to 2, that is R square equal to 4, that is 4 by 4, that is 1, so A equal to 1. So we get A equal to 1 and R equal to 2. So if A equal to 1, so GP series will be first term 1, second term A into R, that is 1, that is 2, that will be 4 into 2, that will be 8, into 2, that will be 16, and this. So this will be the GP series. Okay? So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. It will be very beneficial for your examination, like bank exam or CGL or any exam. Keep watching my videos and keep learning. Thank you.